Clocks. Clocks are a very important thing in our life, especially the digital clocks, which enables you to tell the time with just a single look at it. What if I tell you today we are going to create a digital clock like that using Python? This is not a joke. Today we are really going to create a digital clock of our own using Python. So today's topic is build your own digital clock using Python. So for that we need to go to our computer screen. So let's go to our computer screen and start coding. So guys, now we are in our computer screen. I have opened a blank folder in VS Studio Code, and here you need to make a file, for example clock.py, and here we need to import our modules first. We will be working with tkinter module in this project. So from tkinter import asterisk. What does asterisk mean? This asterisk means that we will be importing everything from tkinter. So from tkinter.ttk import asterisk means we will be importing everything. So now we will be importing strf time function from time. So from time import strf time. Now let's make our tkinter window. tk equals to tk. Now tk.title, we will be giving a nice title to our tkinter window. The title will be clock. And here just make a time function. This will be actually used to display the time on the label, which we will be making later. So let's type the text equals to this will be the text which will be displayed on the label. So text equals to strf time here, and now within the round brackets you need to type here within inverted commas, make sure within inverted commas. So %h, this is for hours, then a colon, then %m, this is for minutes, then colons, then %s, then a space, and then %p. Okay. Now in the next line, here label dot config text equals to text. Okay, the text will be text. Okay, now in the next line, label dot after it will be 1000 comma time. And now let's style the widget. Let's make the widget look more attractive. So the thing which we will be writing now will be outside the time function. Okay, so label equals to label within the round brackets tk, our tkinter window name, and then font equals to, here you need to type within the round brackets, and then write a set of inverted commas here, and this will be the font type. So I have given a link in the description from where you can download the font which I will be using in this video. So the name of the font is DS Digital. Give a comma, and then you have to write the font size, for example 40. Now it will be bold. Okay, then give a comma, and now you have to write the background equals to black, then foreground equals to deep pink 4. Okay, now in the next line we have to place the text of the label in the center. So what we will do, we will write here label.pack, and here anchor equals to center. Okay, now let's call our time function here. And now the most important thing, without this our code will not run. This is the main loop. Okay, Now just run it. You can see our clock here. Okay, let's make our foreground more bright. Now you will see this. So guys, I have some really cool color combinations for this label. So first is this deep pink 3. This text is deep pink 3. You can write here cyan. This is the cyan, or green 2. This is the bright green actually. You can see this one, and you can even write red here. You can see this is also looking very much cool. So you can also write here orange. These are the color combinations which I like the most. So these combinations were really cool. So you can choose any one of them. You can write any foreground or background. I have just taken this as an example. So guys, this is how you can create a digital clock in Python. So guys, that's all for today. So guys, if you are interested in web development, see my playlist in the left, and if you are interested in automating Google Meet using Python, see the video in the right, and please do subscribe our channel for more videos like this.